Hello, kids. Today, we're going to learn all about verbs. Verbs are action words that tell us what someone is doing. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's get started. Bouncing, jumping, dancing, these are all action verbs because they show actions. Can you say them with me? Meet Timmy. He is playing with his kite. Can you guess the verb here? That's right. Fly is the verb because the kite is flying. And here's Lily. She is running in the park. What's the verb? Perfect. Run is the verb because Lily is running. When we cook an egg, what's the verb? You got it. Cook is the verb because we are cooking the egg. Great job, kids. You've learned that verbs are action words that tell us what someone or something is doing. Now you can spot verbs all around you. So, keep your eyes open, and you'll discover verbs in the most amazing places. Thanks for joining us today, and have fun exploring the world of verbs. See you next time.